Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle, and I'm here to show you the Nucleus, a new creation by designer Princeton Wong, inspired by his passion for mecha and the iconic Gundam series. This knife embodies the futuristic essence of Japanese sci-fi, drawing from the aesthetics of the Gundam Nucleus drive. The Nucleus showcases sharp, angular designs characteristic of the mecha genre, making it a striking and functional piece. Its design offers multiple ways to open the knife, including a thumb slot, front flipper, and a standard flipper, ensuring a fidget-friendly carry no matter your preference. Princeton's attention to detail is evident in these symmetrical bolsters that seamlessly hide the frame lock and the mechanical notching in the backspacer. The handle's cutouts and the pivot ring's intricate notchings mirror the backspacer's design, while the anime-styled pocket clip perfectly complements the knife's overall aesthetic. The Nucleus is available in two versions. This version features a MagnaCut steel blade, a titanium handle, and carbon fiber inlays. The second version features a 12C27 steel blade, a stainless handle, and Damascus red G10 inlays. Both versions are 7.3 inches in overall length with a 3.2-inch blade, making the Nucleus a good size for an EDC knife, being both compact and functional. What I really like about this is the multiple deployment methods, since I'm someone who definitely likes to fidget with their knives. The cyberpunk look is also something I'm really into on this, and I'm a big fan of the black and blue color combination. So, if you're looking for an interesting new design to add to your EDC rotation, check out the Nucleus, designed by Princeton Wong.